Solve the linear equation for x and check your answer. The first thing that we need to do is to simplify both sides of this linear equation. And to do that, we're going to distribute the 2 into this parentheses, distribute the 5 into the second parentheses, and then we'll combine like terms on each side. So we have 3, and then the negative 2 is distributed into the parentheses to give us negative 2x minus 8. And then the 5 is distributed into the second set of parentheses to give us 5x minus 10. And then we copy paste the x down. Continuing to simplify, we're going to combine like terms on the left-hand side. So 3 minus 8 is negative 5, and then we have minus 2x that we just copy down. To combine like terms on the right-hand side, we'll combine the x terms together. So 5x minus x is going to be 4x, and then we still have the negative 10. So we have simplified both sides of this linear equation. Now we're going to get our variable terms to one side and then our constant terms to the other, which is essentially combining like terms again, but this time across the equal sign. So to get our x terms together, let's add 2x to both sides. The 2x's then cancel out here on the left-hand side, and we're left with just the negative 5. And then on the right-hand side, we have 4x plus 2x, which is 6x, and then we just bring down the negative 10. Now to get the constant terms to the left-hand side, we'll add 10 to both sides, and 6x is the only term that remains on the right. Now, to solve for x, we'll simply divide both sides by 6. When we divide by 6 on the right, those 6's cancel out, and we're left with just the x. I'm going to switch sides on you as well, changing that x over here to the left, and then we'll have 5, 6, which is what remains on the other side. So x equals 5, 6 is our solution, but we definitely want to check that answer on the calculator. In order to check our answer on the calculator, we're going to take the 5, 6, 5 divided by 6, and store that into the x variable, and then we hit enter. So here is our store button that enables us to store a quantity. Now we go all the way back to the beginning equation and see what the left-hand side of this equation is with our stored quantity of x, or our solution, and compare that to what we get on the right-hand side with our solution stored in for x. So we just copy the left-hand side, 3 minus 2 times the quantity. Our answer is already stored in for x, and then we say plus 4, close parens. Now we want to see what that left-hand side is equal to, and then compare that to the output of the right-hand side with our same answer stored in for x. So we're just copying that right-hand side. 5 times x minus 2 minus x, and these two sides need to yield the same quantity, and they do, which means that our solution of 5/6 is the correct answer.